Just spreading the good word on this amazing shape-shifting box called Shashibo, which has really made my life better, genuinely. The fidgety aspect, the shape-shifting, the satisfying patterns, the calming, soothing sound of the magnets, the clicking and clacking. It's an all-around satisfying toy. And I have been better for the things that it's taught me, like letting go when a tower falls apart, or thinking outside the box, getting explorative. It's taught me useful things like pattern recognition, problem-solving skills, spatial awareness. It's so good. You get to see on your journey where you might find something that looks similar to something that you've made before. And find incredible connections. It truly is infinite. The more that you have, the more you can do.